turning singular noun into plural noun. Let us discuss it in this video. First of all, do you remember what a noun is? A noun identifies a person, place, thing or idea. Then, what's a singular noun? A singular noun names one person, place, thing. And what about a plural noun? A plural noun names more than one person, place, thing. Most singular nouns are made plural by simply putting an S to their ends. But there are many different rules regarding pluralization depending on what letter a noun ends in. You can follow the pattern here to form the plural forms of most nouns. The first basic rule is to add S in the case of most nouns. Let's see the examples here. We are observing the word mug here. We have to add S to make it plural. Then mug becomes mugs. Like this, cup became cups, teacher became teachers, and doll became dolls. Coming to the next rule, that is add ES in after noun ending with S, X, CH, SH. Let's see the examples with the word ending with the letter S. Here, we are observing the word ending with the letter S. So, we have to add ES to make it plural. Then glass becomes glasses. The word box ends with the letter X. So, we have to add ES to make it plural. Then, box becomes boxes. The word match ends with the letter CH. So, we have to add ES to make it plural. Then match becomes matches. Like this, the word wish ending with the letters SH. So, we have to add ES to make it plural. Then wish becomes wishes. Coming to the second rule, that is add S after noun ending in AY, EY and OY. Let us observe the word here, that is ray, ending with the letter A and Y. So we have to add S to make it plural. Then ray becomes rays. And the word key ending with the letter EY. So we have to add S to make it plural. Then key becomes keys. And the word toy ending with the letter OY. So we have to add S to make it plural. Then toy becomes toys. Coming to the next rule, that is if a singular noun ends in Y and the letter before the Y is a consonant, change the ending to IES to make the noun plural. Let's see the examples here. Observe the word here ending with the letter Y and the letter before the Y is a consonant, so we have to add IES to make it plural. Then city becomes cities. Like this, the word lady ends with the letter Y and the letter before the Y is a consonant, so we have to add IES to make it plural. Then lady becomes ladies. Like this, baby becomes babies. Coming to the next rule, that is if the singular noun ends in Y and the letter before the Y is a vowel, simply add an S to make it plural. Let's see the examples here. The word day ending with the letter Y and the letter before the Y is a vowel, so we have to add S to make it plural. Then day becomes days. Like this, key becomes keys and the boy becomes boys. Coming to the next rule, that is if a noun ends with F or FE, then the plural form of the noun ends with VES instead of F or FE. Let's see the examples here. The word knife ends with the letters FE. So we have to add VES to make it plural. Then the word knife becomes knives. Like this, the word life ends with the letters FE. So we have to add VES to make it plural. Then life becomes lives. Like this, the word leaf ends with the letter F. have to add VES to make it plural. Then leaf becomes leaves. Some exceptions for this rule are the word proof ends with the letter F. Even though this word is ending with the letter F, we have to add S because here is exceptions. Like this, the below words are follow. Like belief becomes beliefs, roof becomes roof. Coming to the next rule, that is, if a noun ends with O, the plural of the noun has ES at its end. Let's see the examples here. The word hero ending with the letter O, so we have to add ES to make it plural. Then hero becomes heroes. Like this, the word zero ending with the letter O, so we have to add ES to make it plural. Then zero becomes zeros. The mango word ending with the letter O, so we have to add ES to make it plural. Then the word mango becomes mangoes. And the next rule is, if there are two vowels at the end of the noun, the plural form has S in its end. Let's see the example for better understand. The word radio ends with the letters I-O, and I-O is a vowel. So we have to add S to make it plural. Then radio becomes radios. Like this, video becomes videos. And here are some exceptions for this rule are: the word photo ends with the letter O, but we have to add S because here is exception. Like this, piano word ends with the letter O, but we have to add S to make it plural. Then piano becomes pianos. And the next rule is, for compound nouns, we can change them into plural forms by adding S to the main noun. Let's see the examples here. The compound noun father-in-law and father-in-law, so we have to add S to the main noun to make it plural. Then father-in-law becomes fathers-in-law. Like this, to the compound noun mother-in-law, we have to add S to the main noun. Then mother-in-law becomes mothers-in-law. Like this, brother-in-law becomes brothers-in-law and sister-in-law becomes sisters-in-law. And the last rule is, some nouns don't change at all when they are pluralized. They have same forms in singular and plural forms. Let's see the examples here. Singular form of sheep, water, pear, deer remains same in the plural form